Dear students, Namaste. Welcome to the computer class. Let us do the second part of the chapter number 2, Windows 7. Today we are going to learn about how to use gadgets, how to use accessories, and the most interesting, I think I should not teach you this, you know it better, that is play games in Windows or in computer. Gadgets. Gadgets are small programs of Windows 7. They provide information and are fun to use. We are going to see different gadgets like clock gadget, calendar, picture puzzle, and weather gadget. Clock gadget. It displays a clock with current time. You can change the clock design. Calendar. It displays the calendar of the current year. Picture puzzle. It displays a puzzle as jumbled pieces of a picture to be solved by arranging the pieces. Weather. It displays the temperature and weather of the selected city. You can set one or more gadgets on your desktop. The following figure shows how you can display a gadget on the desktop. We will see practically later on. When you place the mouse pointer on a gadget, some buttons appear on its right side. First is close button on the top, large size, and once you click it flips to small size button. Then is the option button, and the last one is the drag gadget button. We'll see all these button details. I'm going to explain you about the gadget and also explain you about these buttons practically. Gadgets. Gadgets are small programs of Windows 7. They provide information and are fun to use. Now we will see how we can display the gadgets on the desktop. For this, right click on the desktop. From the context or the shortcut menu, see the gadget. Click on gadget. A gadget window appears. In this gadget window, you can see the calendar gadget, then the clock gadget, then CPU meter gadget, then picture puzzle gadget, slideshow gadget, weather gadget, and many more gadgets are there. To open a gadget or to display a gadget on desktop, double click the particular gadget. Clock gadget, double click it, then picture puzzle, double click it, then weather gadget. There's some problem in the weather gadget, double click. It is being shown here without any service. So these are the four gadgets which we are going to discuss. Now, when I place my particular mouse on the gadget, you are going to see on the right hand side three particular buttons. And have you observed whenever a gadget is open or new gadget is displayed, it is always displayed on the right side of the desktop. Okay, now I'm placing my mouse over the clock gadget. You can see three small buttons. One is a cross, that is a close button. Next one is the option button. With the help of option button, you can choose a different options. You'll see what are different options which are available for the clock. Okay, I'm clicking it. Now here I can change the face of the clock. See, third, fourth, whichever you want, you can choose and put it. Now you want to write a name, say you can write a name, or I'm writing say India. Then you can set the current computer time. This is the time, or you can select the time zone also. So I am selecting the time zone of, you have to search for the Kolkata, Chennai, Mumbai. Yeah, I got it. This one is our standard time IST, and then I want to see the second hand also. Click this and press OK. Now you can see the second hand and the text written as India. Now let me come to the next, that is the Sunday, that is the calendar gadget. Now here the same, but first one is same close. Next one is button is changed. This is showing large size. Okay, let me click it. What happens? Wow, now I'm getting the month, calendar, and also today's date. If you want to minimize it, again, small size button, click on it. Then I want to move the calendar gadget to some other place. So see the third button, which is known as drag gadget button. Left click it, don't leave your click, and then move the mouse so that you can place it some your favorite location and leave it. So in this way, we can move the gadgets. Now suppose this gadget I don't want, so I am going to the close button, I will close it. Similarly, the picture puzzle, you can change the pictures, the puzzle picture by in the option, and then you can see the different picture puzzles. So you can try this at your home and enjoy. Windows Accessories. Windows Accessories is a set of application software that is a part of Windows operating system. To use Windows Accessories, click on Start, then select all programs and then find accessories and then click on accessory you wish to use. You already know how to use accessories such as Paint and WordPad. There are many other accessories. We are going to learn about calculator, sticky notes, sound recorder, and on-screen keyboard. Calculator. Calculator is an accessory used to perform calculations. You cannot maximize the calculator window. To use the calculator, go to the accessories and click on the calculator program. It is similar to an electronic calculator. Sticky notes. Sticky notes is an accessory program used to create reminder notes on the screen. To use sticky notes, go to accessory and click on sticky notes or a blank note will open. Now let us see practically how you are going to open or use the calculator and sticky notes. Now we are going to see calculator. It is an accessory. So let us click on start button. Go to all programs. Click on accessories and find calculator. Click it. So by default the calculator opens in the standard mode. You can do a normal calculations like addition, subtraction, say 98 into 2 equal to. Now you can also view the calculator in various forms. Click on view. We can see the scientific form. Then you can also see programmer form where you can see this for the time being you will not understand. Next you can go for digit grouping. Let us be in the standard. Now also you can go for date calculations. So you can find your age very easily here. If you don't want this, go to view and click on basic. Then close it. Once you have done by clicking on close button. Next we are going to see the sticky notes. Again click on start button. In the start menu, place your mouse on the all programs or click it and then click accessories. Find sticky notes. Now here you can write the important tasks that you want to do. It is just as a reminder. 1. Today, computer online class. Second, evening, maths, revision. In this this way you can add more sticky notes by clicking on plus sign, new note, and you can write according to the reminders that you want to follow and you don't want to forget. If you don't want, you can close it by clicking on delete note, that is the cross sign. It will give you a message. If you don't want to display the message again, click on this and say yes. I don't want this also, so now it is not showing any message, delete it. Sound recorder. Sound recorder is an accessory program used to record sounds. A microphone is required to record a voice using the sound recorder program. To use sound recorder, go to accessories and click on the sound recorder. If you have laptop, then in laptop the inbuilt microphone is there, so we don't require an additional microphone. On-screen keyboard. It is an accessory that helps to type without using the keyboard. That is, you can use the mouse to click on the keyboard which will appear on the screen. To use on-screen keyboard, go to accessories, click on ease of access and then on-screen keyboard. Now we are going to see practically how we are going to use sound recorder and on-screen keyboard. Now we are going to see sound recorder and on-screen keyboard. Sound recorder. Click on the start button. Place the mouse in all programs or click it. Then click on accessories. Find the sound recorder. Now you can go for start recording. Hello, welcome to Windows 7 of class 4. Now you click on stop recording. It will ask you to save. Say I am saving it in my recordings. Say welcome. I am giving the name welcome. Then save. So in this way you can save the sound recorder. Now you can open computer. Then in libraries, in music, not in music, think library, videos. In document you will find my recordings. Then click on welcome to listen what he will say. The sound is too low, I can't hear. So you can try it in a computer. Next is on-screen keyboard. It is an accessory that helps to type without using the keyboard. So let us see how to access it. Click on start button. Place a mouse on all programs or click it. Then go to accessories. In accessories, click on ease of access. And here you will find on-screen keyboard. There are many others which are basically used by especially disabled persons. So you can try all this. And now we are going to click on the screen keyboard. So this is the on-screen keyboard. Here you can, instead of using the keyboard, you can use this to do your work. For example, let me open say sticky notes and I want to write one dot, then welcome. So it is very handy. So this is the use of on-screen keyboard. I hope you understood. Windows games. Windows have a set of interesting pre-installed games such as chess, solitaire, and free cell, etc. To start a game, click on Start, go to All Programs, and then click on Games. Choose the game you want to play. I'm sure many of you have played Windows games, so I don't think that I should explain you this, but still, if you find a difficulty where to find, you can give a call to me or ask me. So, dear students, I hope that you will find this class interesting because today you have seen or you have learned many new features of Windows 7. That is, the most important is the gadget. In that, the picture puzzle, please don't play with picture puzzles more, and the Windows games. Practice the gadgets on screen keyboard, the Windows accessories. Practice, practice. And any doubt, feel free to ask. Thanks. Have a nice time. Bye. See you in next class.